What up, gang? Today we're excited to release our brand new rear seat power console, purpose built for the 79 Series Dual Cab LandCruiser. Now this unit is designed to mount neatly beside the rear seats of either your driver or your passenger side, and it gives you clean, functional 12-volt power, air control, and inverter switching with 240-volt output right inside your cab. It's Australian made here on the Sunshine Coast and built tough from powder coated alloy and available in 3 different configurations depending on your setup. Let's run through some of those options. Option number 1 is this one. This bad boy is our sockets only option. Perfect if you're just after some versatile 12-volt power inside your cab. In this particular configuration, you'll get the following. You'll get a 375mm can cup holder insert, 1 red Anderson plug for your solar input, grey Anderson plug for your output, 2 dual USB-A, USB-C sockets, 1 12-volt cigarette socket, 1 angle style fridge socket. It's compact, it's functional, it gives you everything you need for everyday power use. Now onto option 2, that's our power and air setup. Option 2 is designed specifically to integrate with our behind seat dual battery kit with an ARB air compressor, but it also works with any ARB onboard compressor setup. This particular setup includes 1 12-volt socket, a dual USB-A, USB-C socket, 1 red Anderson plug for your solar input, 1 grey Anderson plug for your output, an ARB air chuck that's pre-mounted, a blank switch inserts for your ARB compressor toggle switch, and of course a 375mm can holder. It gives you the seamless control of your compressor from the rear seat alongside handy power outputs. Option number 3 is our power plus our inverter setup. Option 3 is built to work with our behind seat tray kit that runs the Reduc 1500 watt inverter and a 100 amp hour slimline battery. But you can also adapt it to suit your own system if you've already got an inverter installed.
Please note, to get this setup to work with an already installed inverter, you may need a qualified electrician to terminate those connections.
In option 3 configuration, you will get the following: 1 12-volt socket, a dual USB-A, USB-C socket, a blank space for a Reduc inverter remote switch, a double black GPO outlet for 240-volt appliances. This setup is perfect if you want to power laptops, chargers, and other 240-volt gear right inside your cab. Wrapping up, all 3 of these power console configurations are designed to give you a clean, factory look finish without messy wiring or aftermarket sort of stuff bolted everywhere. They're pre-wired with Anderson plug tails, easy to install, and supplied with all the mounting hardware. These consoles are available now for pre-order with a 4-week build time, so get your orders in soon. If you want to take your 79 series to the next level with a neat, functional in-cab power solution, the rear seat power console is the way to go.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.